Give me your water, give me your land, give me your home. You don't have to understand. You don't deserve an explanation, I got better things to do. But for my own benefit, I'll make it clear to you. I want it more. I want it more than you do. I want it more. I want it more, 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 more. Give me your faith, give me your hand, give me your trust. You don't have to understand. You don't deserve an explanation, I got better things to do. But for my own benefit, I'll make it clear to you. I want more. You don't more, more, more. I want it more. I want it more, 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 more. Give me all you got, give me all that you can. Until you're left with nothing, you don't have to understand. You don't deserve an explanation, I got better things to do. But for my own benefit, I'll make it clear to you. I want more. I want more than you do. I want more. I want more, 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 more. Now that I got everything, your world at my command, why do I still feel empty? Why can't I understand? Why you're still happy with nothing? So here's my last demand. Won't you say your secret so I can understand?